it yet.
Sorry, I can't hear you, bro. Can you say that again?
Quesadilla.
Okay, so yeah, what was
Yeah.
the filling?
Beef, please.
The brisket?
Yeah.
No worries. Anything else there?
What's this on that one?
It's just $39.60 right now.
Okay, that's all right. So what's this on your quesadilla?
Oh, the quesadillas, none, those 80.
All right. Okay. All right. Thank you. That's all for now. Thanks.
Yep, it's $39.60 exactly.
Bye. 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 Oops. Alanganin tayong alanganin. Masikip. Sandali guys ha. Ako'y busy. Good afternoon ma'am. It's afternoon here. Hello po. Good afternoon din sa iyo. Is our songs. Good afternoon din po sa iyo. Evening dito sa amin. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan yung wallet ko. Mamaya wala akong perang dala.
Sorry. So I was checking in to make sure it's all good.
Sorry?
So I was checking in to make sure it's all good. So you had the pork burrito with sour cream,
Yeah?
the mushroom cali burrito.
Yeah. What's on the sauce on the cali burrito?
Sorry?
What's on the sauce? What sauce you've got on the
What
cali?
sauce we have?
Yeah.
So like, normally I have like the tomatillo, which is like just a mild sauce, not really taste like anything. And I've had the sour cream on it.
Can you add the sour cream?
Oh,
What about
the sour cream on it already.
I get this already? Okay, alright.
And we have like chipotle mayo and like hot sauce if you want it. But that'll cost, the chipotle mayo costs extra.
Oh, that's fine. So leave it like that.
Just
Yeah.
keep it as it is.
Yeah.
And then just the brisket quesadilla as well, yeah?
Yeah.
No worries. $39.60 for that one.
I just trying to grab more. Hindi even know what's my wallet. I just come home from work, so. What's that one in your window? How's
No,
about?
that's the breakfast menu. So that's from till 10:30 in the morning.
I thought it's apple pie.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No worries. So real quick that one. So it shouldn't be too long, but I'm just gonna pop you the waiting bay down there to the right, and I'll bring it up when it's ready.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
Mag-antay tayo dito. Hello, Morske! Good noon sa'yo. Good noon pa lang dyan. Evening na dito sa amin. Mag-alas 8 na ng gabi. Katatapos lang magtrabaho ang person. Salamat sa thumbs up, Morske. Hindi ako nakaano sa mga channel nyo, guys. Pasensya ha. Hindi ako nakabisita sa mga channel nyo kagabi. Ang dami kong utang na kailangang bayaran. Hindi ako nakabisita sa mga bahay-bahay. Kasi wala na tayong oras. Nalit nga ako kanina sa Diyos me, garapon. Nalit ako kanina sa aking work. Half an hour ako late kanina. Dahil hindi ako salamat sa nagtamsa ka. Dahil hindi ako nagising ng maaga. Yung alarm ko hindi ko narinig na nag-aalarm. Kaya na late ako ng kalahating oras. Ewan. Ang hirap ng guys. Ang hirap ng busy tayo palagi. So hopefully sa awa ng Panginoon makapag-holiday kami. Punta kami New Zealand. So hopefully makapagpahinga tayo ng konti. Sa bagay, pag nag-holiday kami, hindi ka naman makapagpahinga kasi gala ka rin ang gala. Gala dito, gala doon. Diba? Kaya wala rin pahinga. Salamat ulit, Morske. Palagi kang present. Ako hindi na ako nakaano sa live mo, Morske. Pasensya na. Ang yung buti hindi nababasa yung ng shop, hindi nababasa diyan Ito yung paligid ng shop pala. Ayan, yan yung Mexican siya. Ewan kung Mexican ba to hindi ko alam kung Mexican to or Mexican ata. Ayan, so ito yung namin din So buti lang siya. Nadadaanan ko pa uwi. Malapit lang.